Hi all. So the next question is today's problem of the day, that is number of ways to split the array. Okay. So let us see what the question says, that the question says that we are given a zero index integer array, okay, of length n and which contains a valid split, okay, at index I. Okay. What is a valid split? The valid split has these 2 points to be considered. The first point is that for the first I plus 1 elements, okay, the sum of the first I plus elements should be greater than or equal to the sum of the last n minus I minus 1 elements, right? And okay, this is the first condition. The second condition says that there is at least one element at the right of I. Okay, this means that we cannot compute the left sum for the whole array, right? at, at least we need to leave one element for the right sum. Correct. See, we cannot calculate the whole left sum, because if we calculate the whole left sum of this, the right sum would be 0. Correct. So at least one index or one element we should left for the right sum, right? And the rest we can all calculate for the left sum. Correct. So okay, and return the number of valid splits. We have to return the total number of valid splits, okay, within this array. Okay. So as in the previous video, I have told that the two questions both are using prefix sum. Okay. So using okay, whenever we see that sum is given and some valid split or whatever some condition is provided, okay, just like in the previous question also, some condition was provided for the vowels, okay, and we need to find some condition. According to it, we need to find the within the range. Okay, this is also some kind of range kind of question. Okay, so for this range kind of question, the basic uh, efficient code that we can apply is prefix sum. Correct. Another kind of, we can go to fan victory and all, but basic thing is this in for the range kind of thing, we have this prefix sum. Correct. So for this, what we'll do, first of all, simply, if it's a prefix sum, just calculate the prefix sum. Okay, if we calculate the prefix sum for this one, okay, let us check here. If we have for prefix sum, we'll have 14, then we'll have 6, and then we'll have 13, right? Just calculate 10 plus 4 14, 14 minus 8 6, 6 plus 7 will give 13. So this is our prefix sum, okay, array. Now for, let's say, okay, forget this thing, okay, I plus 1 n minus I minus 1, okay, simply left sum and right sum. Correct. So left sum for, for the first element, left sum is 10, and the right sum would be how much? Right sum, that means this, okay, hold this, not this one, like I mean 4 plus 4 minus 8 plus 7, that is equals to 13. Correct. That is equals to 13. How do we get to here is simply, we will, for right sum, we will simply just take the last sum. Correct. And we will, in each counter, we will simply increment our left sum. Right. So left sum for the first is 10. 10 minus 13 is equals to how much? 10. See, 4 minus 8 is equals to minus 4, plus 7 is equals to 7, plus 7 is equals to 3, right? So what we will do, 13 minus 10, 13 minus 10, what will give? It will give 10. But why we are doing that? Okay, see, 13 is the prefix sum for the whole array. Okay, 13 is the prefix sum for the whole array. We need to count the prefix sum for this array only. So we need to decrement the prefix sum for the left sum, right? So let's say the left sum is ls is equals to 10. Okay, simply we take out the this index, okay, for the current index is here, okay, and the last prefix sum is whole, I mean the whole total sum is 13, right? So 13 minus the current left sum is equals to 10. So the right sum would be equal to, is equals to 13 minus 10, that is equals to 3, right? Now the condition here is this one. This first sum should be greater than or equal to the last sum. That means left sum is greater than the right sum, correct? So our answer will increment to 1, right? Now our counter goes to here. Now the left sum is 14, correct? See, 10 plus 4, 14, and the right sum should be 14 minus 13, or 13 minus 14. It should be 13 minus 14, right? Why? See, the total sum minus the left sum, right? So 13 minus 14 will give minus 1, right? And minus 1 is obviously greater than the left sum, that is 14. So again we'll increment our counter to 2. Now I goes here. Now the left sum is 6, correct? And the right sum is 13. Now if you do 13 minus 6, we'll get 7, I guess. 7. Now, and left sum is 6. Sorry, my laptop issue. 6. Okay. Now we see left sum is less than the right sum. So this is not a valid condition. So simply will not increment our counter, our answer. And again we have reached the last index, because we cannot check for this one also. Okay, we cannot check for this. Till here only we can check, right? We got our left sum and right sum, and the answer is 2. So here also we'll get the output as 2, correct? But this one also, if you check, 2310, okay, sorry, 2310, 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 0, right? And I is here, left sum is equals to, and let us directly calculate our prefix sum. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, and this one will also be 6 only, right? Now left sum is equal to 2, okay, and right sum is 6 minus 2, that is equals to 4, right? So obviously this is not a valid condition, right? So answer is for now 0, right? Now when I goes, okay, I plus plus, okay, now the left sum is equals to 5, right? And the right sum, left sum is 5, right sum is 6 minus 5, that is 1. Now this is a valid condition. See, 5 is greater than 1, so answer plus plus. Now I plus plus, so I is equals to 6. Left sum is also equal to 6. The current element is 6, left sum is 6. The right sum is this 6 minus 6, that is equals to 0. Now we can see this is also a valid condition. Right sum is less than the left sum. So answer plus plus 2, and since we have calculated till n minus 2th position, so we cannot go further, and simply we'll return our answer. Okay, so this is the intuition and the solution behind this. What you can see, simply we calculate the prefix sum. Okay, without calculating the prefix sum also, in each go what we'll do, we'll simply increment the left sum. Okay, so for easy intuition, I mean for easy imagination, simply I calculate the prefix sum, and we have a counter of the sum, and where we are going till n minus 2th index will go. Okay, and here what we have, our left sum is equal to 0, right sum is 0. Each iteration we are calculating left sum is prefix of I sum only, okay, prefix sum of I only, and right sum is this one. Okay, the left the total sum is calculated in this index, okay, the last index. Okay, this will have the total sum here. This here total sum we are having 13 for all the elements. Okay, so total sum minus the left sum, that is our right sum, correct? And if this is the condition, if this condition is reached, we'll increment our answer value, right? Yeah, and see what we are doing, we are taking long here. Why is the file taking long here? See, for this condition, okay, it can, like, it can go to the long value also, so we are taking long. If we try to do int, okay, if we try to do int, okay, let us see. If we try to do int, we will get incompatible type. Okay, int also, here also int, here also int. Correct. If we try to do int, we will get the solution for few cases, but at last we will get, see, for long ranges, for long number of values, okay, for huge number of values, we will get this error. Okay, okay. So simply what we need to do, we need to check for long only. Okay, and now if we just submit the question solution, yeah, see, correct. So you can also check the other two solutions. These are like more effective. See here what they are doing here, they are calculating the total sum, unlike what I have did is I'm calculating the prefix sum. Okay, and they are just calculating the total sum, and each iteration they are checking the left sum and right sum. Here what I am doing, left sum is just prefix sum of I, and they are calculating this left sum there also. See, left sum, right sum, they are calculating. Okay, and plus nums of I, and this is the right sum minus num of I. Okay, same thing, just what I have done is using prefix sum I, and another we can use just with using to see, here they have calculated a prefix sum, right? So solution is quite simple only. You need to take the prefix sum, either you take a array or just take two variables left sum and right sum. Okay, both are the same, the concept behind remains same, that is prefix sum. Okay, I hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching. Thanks.